Pang 30 days ko na guys. So, kumusta ang aking performance according kay Facebook? Tignan natin. Alright? Ayan. So, I had 70,000 views for the past 28 days. So, compared mo yan sa previous 28 days, so more than 100%. Diba? Ang galing. And then, for interaction, I had 1,500 interactions. So, of course, my accountability partner, 431 followers na dati wala man. I started with 0. Alright? So, was it worth it? Yes. Oo. Aside from this insight, aside from these numbers, so malaking impact ang naging epekto niya sa buhay ko. I learned the habit. I learned to be consistent. I learned that small steps, small wins. Yes, I started with a small mission to share insights and my personal experience sa mga bagay na alam ko, like personal development, savings, and then travel, and ko as a mom and employee and as a woman, di ba? So just to make a difference. So, is it worth it? Nasabi ko na, yes. Is it hard? Very. And I will show you the video that took me 8 hours na gawin siya. So, ito siya. Ito ang pinakamahabang video na ginawa ko for the past 30 days because that's my first day. So, kailangan ko pa mag-adjust sa boses ko. Kasi parang iba yung register sa video kaysa sa naririnig ko sa sarili ko. And then also, tinitignan ko kung maganda ba yung angulo na ganito or hindi. Plus yung editing. Remember this? Yes. Yan yung aking third day. Na pagod ako. And then, I just check my gratitude book, my journal. So, I think yung share ko dyan is the power of gratitude. Diba? So, I will also share with you yung pinaka-easy na ginawa ko. Siyempre, sa huling yugto na yan ng 30 days kasi na-master ko na ang paggawa. Ito yan, naisip ko lang, why not i-share yung na-enjoy namin na place at the same time, hindi mabigat sa bulsa. And nakita ko kasi ang asawa ko kung paano niya laruin ng mga bata. So, sabi ko, importante yun na paksa sa buhay ng mag-asawa at mga parents. So, why not I share? So, that's my day 17. Ito naman, yung puyat na puyat ako, gusto ko nang matulog, pero kailangan kong gumawa ng video kahit na masyadong mahaba ang araw ko at maraming ginawa. But then again, sabi ko sa sarili ko, hindi. This is the day, day 24 ng aking 30 days challenge. There you have it guys, and thank you for sticking around and for being my accountability partner for the past 30 days. And I really appreciate every likes, every share, every comment, and every follow na ginagawa nyo. It really motivates me to push myself to do it until the last day. And I hope you learned from my experience that I shared and to the gala and to the saving hacks for the travel tips na shinare ko. And always keep in mind that you can also challenge yourself. So, let's make a difference, even in our smallest ways. So again, from the bottom of my heart, dakal salamat. This is your Imaterang Mom. This is not the end. This is just the beginning. Okay? So stick around guys for my, not everyday vlog, but I make sure I will share with you the most important lessons and my gala kung saan man, I will share it with you. And my tips. Alright? Again, dakal salamat. And this is your Imaterang Mom. I will see you on my page. Okay? Thank you!